is the final video to fix Enshrouded black screen issues and crashing. And if your game will not load properly, let me ask you, are you launching Enshrouded and seeing a black screen or sudden crashes before gameplay starts? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or display settings conflict with your system. Sometimes Windows updates, overlays, or background apps also trigger these crashes. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file edits, complicated reinstall steps, or settings that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not stop the black screen. But on Rex's, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact graphics driver, game configuration, and system path that causes Enshrouded to crash or show a black screen. This works because it restores proper communication between the game and your PC. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, Enshrouded launches normally, gameplay loads correctly, and crashes disappear. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rex shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Enshrouded black screen issues and crashing are ruining your experience, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.